Hey, you two, welcome back. So this one is the BATHWA 6 shelf wire shelving unit, heavy-duty metal shelving with the leveling feet, adjustable utility storage shelf for garage, kitchen, living room, bedroom. The dimension is 21.26 inch in length by 11.42 inch in width, and then the height is 62.99 inch. So yeah, you can use this at your office, your studio, or anywhere that you need to use the shelving, or even your laundry room. Okay. So by the way, I have to give the shout out to Thomas from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. Be sure to click on the coupon code before you check out so you get a discount price with it. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys the installation and everything. So I need to get the scissor to cut out the zip tie. So this is pretty awesome. It could allow you to adjust to your length. And this one also offers a hook on the side, which is pretty nice if you need to hook on your tiny tools or brushes or whatever. So each shelf is strapped with these bars. And you need this plastic clip. That goes in here, okay? And then there are glue right here on the bar. You can adjust the shelving, how low or high that you want it. And here's the instruction. And then the hardware that came with it. So this one probably could go on the top or bottom, so you need to decide. I mean, don't worry about this black caps, just to protect it, to put on here, that's it. You can throw them away if you need to. Let me go get my scissor. this one is a longer bar than the rest of them. Wait. Huh. Well, this is the longer, this is the shortest. So the longest bar goes on the very bottom, and then you can adjust how much gap you want to have on the bottom, the very bottom shell right there, okay? And after that, you insert the tube. Because the longest one, they have adjustable shelving right here. So you can level your floor in case it's uneven. So the one with the cutout right here is going to be facing the bottom. Okay, so when you open this plastic thing, and then you gotta sandwich it together like that on the pole. But you need to determine how far you want to go down the shelving and stuff like that. See how much gap you want on the flooring. And then you can adjust it. And then after that, you're gonna insert through here, and then just hit the shaft downward. Yeah, like that. And just hit it down. Just going to do the test fit right now. Yeah, be sure not to put it upside down. You see the top? So you got it facing the top. Yeah, so you just insert the pole through there. It should sitting all the way down, and then you do the same thing. Put those plastic clip on the pole, and then insert the shelving. So now your room is more organized. You put your clothes down there, or you can store more boxes down here too. Nice. Then you could hook all your wires, your headphone, your charging cable, or your wrist strap. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.